viewers, this is Review channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we will make a dish is called steamed chicken with squash. And the main ingredient we need one squash and little scallion. If you have scallion, you use it. If you don't have scallion, it's okay. Then you don't use scallion. And the chicken legs. You can use any chicken meat to cook this dish. And soaked full Chinese black mushrooms. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. And the Chinese name is called 香菇豆豉蒸鸡. Cut the scallion. We chop this scallion very thin, as thin as possible. Make sure this scallion and don't get contaminated from the raw meat, because this we will use it as a decoration and put it on top of the ready-made dish. So just make sure you use a clean knife, clean bowl to cut it. Okay, we cut the squash. We cut the squash from the middle. This squash is very fresh, so we just keep the skin. It's from old plant farm. It's very fresh. So we just keep the skin on. Quickly this. And get a spoon. And we can get a spoon to get rid of the meat part. We cut it like this, like this side. Prepare for squash. Very good. Okay, we cut some ginger. We just need 1 teaspoon of ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger. We cut the Chinese black mushroom. We just drain the water and we slice it. Just cut and slice it as thin as possible. The mushroom soak in the water a little more well. Probably 30 minutes or 1 hour, and it will become soft. We use it. Okay, we cut the chicken. We don't need the bones. We just want the meat. We just get the meat off from the bones. These bones, usually I don't throw it. Yeah, I will keep it and to use to make some chicken broth. Just boil it and make some soup. It's really good. Cut this meat. You probably cut not too small, not too big. You need probably, I think, need 6 chicken legs. It's pretty enough. This meat we need to process it first. Those are the mushroom and the ginger we added to it. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is the 13 spices. You can add 13 spices or 5 spices. If you don't have those, you just add some black pepper. You don't need to add too much, just add a pinch, not too much. This is soy sauce. Soy sauce, we add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it. This is cooking wine. We add 1 teaspoon cooking wine to it. This is oyster sauce. We add half teaspoon oyster sauce to it.
Here, don't eat this banana. That's mine. This is my banana. Don't make me
This is vegetable oil. We add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. This is potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, just add cornstarch. Add, I think, 2 tablespoons to it. Now we have nearly every stuff. We just use the hand to mix it. It's all mixed well. This is the squash we get. We add those squash and to the pot, on the top of the chicken. Here those way we put it on put it into a pot to steam it. We add 6 cups of water, 6 to 8 cups of water to the pot. We put this steamer into it. It's okay. Now we put this into the pot and we cover it and turn on the stove and high fire. And when the to heat it until the steam come out, then we count the minutes for 25 minutes to 30 minutes until the meat is fully cooked. Now the steam come out. You can see the steam and it come out from the edge of the pot. And then we count the time for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Then we check. After 25 minutes, when steam come out, we count 25 minutes. Right now it's after 25 minutes, we check the squash in the meat. Be careful, don't burn by the steam. Okay, the squash is all cooked. Let me check, see the meat. Let me check the meat. Oh, the meat also looks is cooked. Let me see the bottom. Make sure you check the meat. If meat is not cooked, we keep cooking. If the meat is all fully cooked, then we're done. Okay. Maybe we let it cook a little while. The chicken's still not okay. We just let it keep cooking probably for another 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes, we check the meat. We see. Okay. You can check the meat. Yeah, the chicken's cooked. So it will become very tender. Okay, so we're done cooking. We turn off the stove. We get the pot out. Okay, we get it out. Very careful. Then we drain the liquid in this pot. This bowl. Okay, drink. Okay. Okay, we'll put this pot here. Put this here. Then we put this plate, and cover on this. Cover on the pot. Cover it. And then we do it quick, and turn it over. Okay. Be like this. Turn it over. And over the pot. Okay, we put this chopped scallion on top. Decorate. And this dish is done. It's called steamed chicken with squash. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.